Hey there! Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the latest in tech and career development. Today I've got some exciting news from LinkedIn that's a total game changer for anyone looking to boost their career with AI skills. Yep, you heard it right. LinkedIn is offering free AI courses complete with certificates for 2024. So why should you jump on this? AI is not just a buzzword, it's reshaping industries and simplifying our daily tasks. It's the future, folks. And LinkedIn's ready to gear you up. Let's unpack what LinkedIn has on the table. LinkedIn, launched back in 2003, and now under Microsoft, is where over 1 billion minds from more than 200 countries professionals. Links below in description.